is a advanced version of the JavaScript. And so first one we are going to be discussed with the let keyword. Okay, so again we are going to be writing the same. So let x equals to 2. So this is the one variable. Okay, so then I will take a one more block of a code. What is the block? So this is the block of code. Let x equals to 100. Okay, so if I do document dot write of x. So I have defined a variable x equals to 2. I have defined a x equals to 100. And which x it is going to be print, whether it is a 100 or a 2. So obviously 2, because it is a this x is a available for only for this clock. See here it is a 2. Okay. So here we have a let x equals to 100. Just a minute. Okay, so here x is a 2. This x it's available for only for this block. So same thing, I will cut it, and if I add here, now it will print the 100. Got it? So you got it? So the let keyword ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then let x equals to 100. So if you want to print outside as well, so then x. So if I want to redeclare here only, so I don't want to inside a block, I will just use here. See, now it will throw an error. Okay, why? You cannot redeclare the variable with the same name. Okay, you cannot redeclare the variable name, so same variable name. Save it, right click, open with the live server. So where you will get error, right click, do inspect, you will get to what is the error. The error is the syntax, the identifier x already been declared. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಲೆಟ್ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೇಮ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ y, now the error will go. Okay, so but you cannot redeclare the variable name with a what you can say let keyword. So ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then go here, just change y to x, save it, we'll go here, 2 is there. So if you want to print a 100 also, if you just go here, document dot write of x. So here I will add a plus this x block scope means, see this x is a block scope is a 100, then the 2 is there. If you want to go for the new line, so how to do? br br tag means it will break the one line. Okay, so this is the x 200, this is the 2. Okay, okay, so this is a how it is going to be work. The next will be what is the next keyword is a constant keyword. Constant and a let keyword are a same thing. Okay, constant and let is almost all same. The constant you cannot rechange the variable. The next we are going with the arrow functions. What is the arrow functions? So it is a shorthand property, or like a what is the function keyword. You don't need to define the function keyword. You don't need to add a return keyword, and only the curly braces is needed. Okay, first we'll go with the normal function here. I will go here. How to write a function? The function first function keyword ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. But in the arrow function, what happens? The constant y equals to constant y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ and bracket ಇಷ್ಟು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. So same as a function. So just I want to pass the x comma y two variable. Then you can pass the what we can see, x star y. This is also function. So we have not written any function keyword. We do not return any return value, but still it is working as a function. So how to pass a function? Document dot get element by id of I will take a demo dot inner html equals to, so I will take a y1 equals to y1, save it. Document dot get element by id demo inner html y1. So it will throw an error because so I need to define the demo attribute. So how to demo? h1 hash demo, save it. We'll go to the code, we'll close one. Yeah, it is not printed. So what is the mistake we have done? y1 uh, x comma y and x star y. So it looks correct only. So I think no mistake we have done. We have not done. Save it. Yeah, sorry, I have done a mistake. So we need to call the function here. So how to call the function? y1 of what is the x value? Something 100. What is the y value? Something 200. So what are we? It is going to be take a 100, 200. y1 function it is there. y1 function name and parameter is a x is a 100, y 200. So 100 into 200 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The value will be 3000 something, sorry, 2000 something. We'll go here, see, just a minute. Okay, so here let x equals to 100, document dot write, and this is a x block scope x. So this is the arrow function y1 x comma y equals to x star y. Document dot get element by id demo inner html y1. So this is the y1 is a function name, x is a parameter, y is a parameter, x value is 100, y value is 200. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ. ಸೊ ಇದು y1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 200 ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100, ವೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 200. 100 to 200 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಡೆಮೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ what we can say the arrow function. ಅಂದ್ರೆ like arrow function is a shortened property of writing a JavaScript function. Okay, so next is what the uh, the for of object. Okay, okay, so or else we have something for of object, map object, set object, classes. We already learned this one. Okay, so I think if you go for the previous classes, then it is a more enough. Then what is the unique one? So prom is just symbol, default parameter, function, rest parameter. So these are all the string methods we already see. So we no need to go once again. And array form, array keys, find method. There is a one more method is called a important is a spread operator. So how to do spread operator? I want to take an example. So I have a something one array. Okay. Uh, Spread operator is one thing. It is going to be add an array with an existing array. So how to do this one? So first ನಾನು ಒಂದು array ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ constant a1 equals to Jan, Feb, March, and I will take a constant a2 equals to April, May, June. Constant July, August, September. Constant okay, so this is the four array. ಇದು ನಾಲ್ಕು array ಇದೆ. Array ಏನು ಯಾವ type? String type. So ನೀವು if you want to print a specific array, how to print? Document dot write of a1. Save it. We'll go to the browser. See, Jan, Feb, March, January, February, March, A1. If you want to make A4, save it. It is going to be printer October, November, December. Okay, so we are discussing about a spread operator. Okay, what is a spread operator? The spread operator spreads the element to iterable object. So what is this one? So I will take a one fourth variable. What is that variable? A constant year equals to dot 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 a1 comma dot 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 a2 dot 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 a3 dot 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 a4. Okay, so this is the first array, second array, third array, fourth array. Okay, so now if I print a CLZ, sorry, CLZ year, save it, we'll go to the browser, see here. So first array is a January, February, March, second array April, May, June, third array is a July, August, September, and fourth is October, November, December. So all four arrays are we have clubbed. How it is achieved? By using the spread operator. Spread operator ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಮ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ what you can say uh, what you can say like spread operator. Spread operator ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ so it is going to be add a array elements with the uh, another items. Okay, so spread operator we are going to be used in the like where like the coding you no need to worry, so we will discuss about that one. The React.js and all we are using a spread operator. Spread operator ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So uh, spread operator ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is going to be add with the existing value. Okay, the next is with an example of a spread operator. I want to find the a maximum number. What is the maximum number? So I have some set of array. So I want to find the maximum number. Number equals to math is a JavaScript object. So math.random we already discussed in a JavaScript. What is the math? Math is an object. So I want to find the maximum value. Okay. So here, sorry, before that I want to define an array. So what is array? Something 22, 45, 10, 0, oh, sorry, 78, 99, 20. Okay, so this is my array. So now what I will do, I want to find the maximum number from this array. So how to find? Let max num one variable. So then I want to find the number sorry math dot max of dot number. Okay, what is the use of this dot dot? So here finding a maximum number means it is going for the first number, it will treat as a like highest number or maximum number, it is going to be added, and it will go for the next 45. Is 45 is less than 22? Yes, then 45 as a maximum number. Third number ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Is 45 is greater than 10? No, then 45 ನೇ ಇಡುತ್ತೆ. Fourth iteration is 78 is greater than 45? Yes, ಆವಾಗ 78 it's a greater number. Same thing, is 99 is greater than 78? Yes, so then the 99 is a greater than, so then it is added to the numbers. Then again it will go for the next, it is finding is 20 is greater than 99? No, so the 99 is the highest number, so that is it is going to be print here. So control C, control V. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 22 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ 22ನ ಇದು ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇವ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಹಿಯರ್. So 99. Okay, so it is printing, we'll add a one break here. See, 99 is the highest one. So if you want to check, you can add a 200, save it, run it. See, 200 is a. So this is the who is doing this. Math max function is doing. Who is written? So it is written by the uh, JavaScript. Okay. So these are all the built-in function. It means someone is written a code for the finding a maximum number. So this is a it is going to be what we can say print the value. Okay, so next is what the for of loop and the for in loop. So we already discussed in the last few days back, but just we'll have a look. So to loop an array, we are using a for of loop. So you might see here the for of loop be for the looping through the what we can say array. For in loop for a object, for of loop for a array, and map object why we need. So we are going to be take a key pair value. So there we are using the map object. So we already discussed set object. Why we need a set object? Set object is it will not take a duplicate value. So if you define a duplicate value, so it will be taken as a one count. So we already discussed in the last session. So classes means what? Normal classes and promises. What is the promises? So there is a producer code and the consumer code. So last session we have discussed producer code, consumer code. So that is called a like promises. So why we need a producer code? Why need a, what you can say consumer code? We already discussed it. And the next is a symbol. Okay, what is a symbol? We'll go with the example. Save it. I will take a constant person. First, we'll write the program and I will explain. First name is John. Last name Smith. And age is 26. Color is white. Okay, so this is a one what you can say object. Here let id equals to symbol person of id equals to some values. Okay, so next, so this is a person object and this is the id we have pushed here. Just I want to print here document dot write. So how to fetch the variable data? By using a object name and a property name. So we already said person dot first name means it is going to be printer John. So here what I will do, I will take a person of id Okay. So document dot write person of ID. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ID ನ ನಾನು define ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, but person of ID in the sense. So here I have assigned. So here person dot ID, this is one method, and person of ID. So let's see the output. So person of ID and person dot ID. If I just go to the browser, why it is not defined? Yes, why? Because so I need to double quote in save it. See, the ID is this one and undefined. So what does it mean? The person of ID means it is going to be print the value, or else person dot ID means it is not defined, because we are not passing as an array item, but we are passing as an sorry, we are passing as an array item. That's why person of ID means it's going to be print like this. If it is a normal ID means how to access, if ID means colon 200 means, so now it will work. But we are adding explicitly by using a person of ID as an array attribute. Okay, so that is called a symbol. So just have idea about what is a symbol in sense. So it is a one type of a variable addition. So we can say like this. The next is a what a default parameter. So default ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? By default ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? By default ಇದು ಇದೆ. By default ಇದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. By default customer care number 1-800 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is called a default. Default ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ. So how to do this one? So what I will do, function display data, open close brace, return. Okay. So let's say I want to pass a x comma y equals to 5. So y value is a default value. So x value you can pass like anything. Return x plus y. So then document dot get element by id of demo already is there. Demo 1 I will do dot inner html equals to display data of, see, I am not passing a two values here. If I not define this one, I can pass a display data something 4 comma 5 or 90 or anything. But the x value is a predefined equals to default is 5. Save it. So it is calling a display data function, and the x value is replaced with a 4, and a 4 and a 5, y value is a 5. So that is, it is going to be display the x plus y. 4 plus 5 is a 9. The output will be written a 9. So before that I want to create a h2 hash demo 1. Save it. We'll go to the browser, reload it. Okay, see here, 9 it is printing. How? It is calling a display data function here. Document dot get element by id demo 1 display data. So display data, it is having a two parameters. One is a x, one is a y. The y value is a default parameter. X value, it is going to be replaced with a 4. 4 and a 5. So 4 plus 5 is a 9. So the 9 will be written here. Then it is going to be printed the demo place. So that is why it is 9 is there. If you want to add a something star, this is the x value is 4, 4 and the y value is 5. 5 fours are 20. So the 20 it is going to be print here. Okay, so this is called a what we can say. JavaScript default parameter. Default ಅಂದ್ರೆ by default ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You can give 5 or 50 or 500. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ನೀವು 500 ಕಟ್ಟಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ 500 is the value or any value you want to set. So 500 is the default value, x value is 4. So 504 is the answer. Sorry, we added a multiplication, right? 5 fours are 2000. So 500 fours are 2000, which is going to be printed here. So this is called a default parameter. Okay, the next will call it will comes a rest parameter. So we'll add a rest parameter. What is the rest parameter? The rest parameter allows use the functions to treat as an indefinite number of arguments. Means continuous, infinite you can say. Okay, so how to do this one? So first I will go here. Okay, first I will create a one function, then sum bracket open close brace dot dot dot. It is a spread operator, args arguments, let sum equals to 0. Okay, so then I want to call a for loop for let arg arg of args sum plus equals to arg. So this is the arguments. So this arguments I am dumping into the arg argument. See, this is a plural and this is a single. So then sum plus equals to arg. So now we are going to be print the sum. So for that, let x2 or something z equals to sum of 4 comma 5 comma 75 comma 18 comma 25 comma 19 comma sorry 10 comma. So this is the argument list. Okay, so here I will call the function. Let z sum. So sum is a function. Then args means, so these are the arguments. So here it is going to be print here. The arguments first four will be, what is the arguments? So this is the whole thing is the args values. First four will be added here. Then sum plus a 4 it is going to be added to the sum. The next 5 will come. 5 plus 4 9. Then next will be 75 will become 9 plus 75. So like that it is going to be keep on adding. So until the completion of this program. Okay, so now we are going to be what you can say print the value. How to print? See, these are all the sum. After taking all, we need the sum of these numbers. So CLZ, then Z. Why? Because so Z, it is going to be store the sum of these all values. Who is doing the sum? This function is doing the sum. What is the variable? Sum initially variable. So all the value dumped by one, and it is added here. So here it is same, and it is going to be console.log. Here it is going to store it. So here I will add a plus br tag, the addition of all number sum is z. Right click, open with the live server, control shift. The addition of all number sum is, yeah, console.log. So what is the mistake we have done? So let z sum is there 4 5. So what error it is showing? The addition of all number is undefined, it is showing. So what mistake we have done? So just we'll analyze. So we have a let z equals to sum for this is a by string variable. So then that is a this string value we are going to be passed into the args array function sum. So we are passing a value let sum. This is the one temporary variable sum initialize 0. Let arg of args sum plus arg, correct? So everything looks correct. Then what is the problem? Okay, function sum is the calculation of a sum. We'll run one more time. Right click, inspect, we'll go to the console. Okay, so it has to be printed. Fine, so we'll check that one. Okay, so just have a look on this one. The see we already learned, but just we are having a one more thing. What is the let keyword? What is the limitations? And this is the rest operator, spread operator, and how to pass the value here, then how to symbol it is going to be work, how to access by using the array attribute by using the object property name, and one more thing is the default parameter. What is the default parameter? Some of the values are defaultly they have mentioned, that is called a default parameter. Here it is a y is defaultly mentioned 500, so that is why we are not passing a 2 value, we are passing a only 4. Why? Because the x is replaced with a 4. And a function sum args let sum equals to 0 for let arg of args sum plus equals to arg. So this is I will check this why this calculation is getting wrong. I will check. Okay, so by from Monday onwards we are going to